What goes on, internet? Good morning. Actually, it's good afternoon. I woke up kind of late today. I'm gonna make some oatmeal, and we have these little crocodile rocks. That's what it says. And it turns, I don't know, it says little dinosaur eggs that when you add boiling water to it, they turn into dinosaurs. They like hatch. It's gonna be so cool, and I'm excited. Dinosaur oatmeal eggs. See the little eggs? Oh snap. Oh man, they're gonna hatch. I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. It says they're gonna hatch as I stir. Ah! This is weird. They're hatching. Oh my god, they came out. Look at the little dinosaur. Ah, I'm so excited. Look at the little dinosaur. Whoa. Camera fogged up. Look at the little green dinosaurs. Look at it. Look at it. I have never been to the Botanical Gardens in Manhattan Beach. This is Pollywog Park. Used to come here a lot as a kid, but I've never been in, so let's go. The next morning, I always forget to end the vlogs at night because I want to vlog at night. It's just too dark. This is the end of the vlog. Internet high five. 1, 2, 3. Bye.